Hello, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate po kayo. Thank you. Tignan natin kung ano mga messages ninyo for today. First message ninyo, Aries, the astronomer. Ayan. So, merong mga bagay dito na that you are going to discover. And ito yung mga bagay na kakailanganin ninyo para masolusyonan ang inyong mga problema. Pwede kasi na at this time, maybe merong nagkokos ng confusion sa inyo, merong bagay na kinalilituhan ninyo, merong bagay na parang complex, no? Yung sitwasyon ninyo. Kaya maaaring kayo ay nalilito, parang naliligaw yung isip ninyo, something like that. So this is a calling para sa iyo. It's about time para kayo ay magnilay-nilay, go deep within you. Kasi you can't find the answers, no, na kailangan ninyo para maisip ninyo kung ano yung gagawin ninyo sa inyong sitwasyon. You can't find that anywhere. You know, maaari may mga pinagtatanungan na kayo, humihingi na kayo ng advice from other people, but you don't hear the things na gusto ninyong marinig na makakatulong sa'yo na ma-address ang complex situation mo. You know? Kaya, it's best to listen to your intuition instead. It's best to listen to your soul, to your heart. No? Pakinggan ninyo yung kutob ninyo. Yung ganon. Because dyan manggagaling, no? Ang guidance, no? Kung papaano ninyo ina-navigate ang complex situation na ito. Alright? Maybe there are people na pwedeng nag-a-advise sa'yo. Listen to them, but it doesn't necessarily mean na yun na ang gagawin mo or yun na ang susundin mo. Kung ano yung sasabihin nila. Okay? Listen and trust, no, your intuition. Mas yun ang dapat ninyong pakinggan. Okay? We have the catalyst, radical changes, and taking control. No? So, you are going to take control. No? Kailangan na you need to take charge and take control of your situation. Okay? Not other people. Alright? So, sa ngayon, there are changes that you need to do. Maaring mapag-iisipan nyo na eventually, you know, itong mga bagay na madidiscover ninyo about yourself or about the situation itself, yun ang maaaring maging susi, no, na baguhin mo ang inyong sitwasyon. Kasi it could be, no, it could be better kung aayusin mo yung inyong sitwasyon sa ngayon. No, kaya kailangan talaga na pag-isipan ninyong mabuti para ma-figure out ninyo, no, kung ano yung dapat na gawin. And feels like there are changes that you need to do. Kailangan may baguhin kayo, no, sa sitwasyon. Ano man itong sitwasyon na medyo siguro out of control, no? Kaya siguro napapansin niyo na teka lang, parang nag-iiba na yung takbo ng sitwasyon ko, no? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Pwedeng sa relationship yan, pwedeng sa career ninyo yan, or family, you know. So, there are some changes that you need to do. Alright? So, what else? We have the storyteller. Ayan, viewpoints, and the control. So, maybe there are opinions and views, no, from other people na maririnig ninyo, and maybe, you know, those opinions ng iba, you know, or suggestions ng iba, siguro meron kang din meron ka din mapapakinabangan from those. Meron ka ding i-consider, no, na siguro sundin or maybe i-apply sa inyong sitwasyon. But it doesn't necessarily mean na yung opinion na yon is going to to be applied, no, yung lahat ng sinabi ng taong ito sa iyo, yun ang susundin mo at yun ang i-apply mo sa lahat ng inyong sitwasyon sa ngayon. Ano? Meron kang maaaring mapupulot dyan that you can apply sa inyong sitwasyon. But you yourself, no, should be in control of your life pa rin. Okay? Don't allow other people's opinion or kung ano man ang sinasabi nila sa'yo. Yun na yung yun na yung dapat na mangyari. Okay? Kailangan mo pa rin na tignan, use your own judgment and discernment. Kung ano sa tingin mo ang okay naman, then good, no? Pwede mong i-apply sa sarili mo. But kung merong mga hindi, then wag mong hayaan na ipagpilitan nilang yun ang gawin mo. Okay? You need to be in control of yourself. Alright? So, tignan natin kung ano pa ang mga messages ninyo. And maraming salamat, Aries, for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe na po kayo. And also, doon din sa mga hindi po nag-skip ng ads, maraming salamat. I truly appreciate it. And please click the join button po sa baba na video kung gusto po ninyo na mag-member sa channel. Thank you. So, we also have the death energy. Ayan. There is a rebirth. There is definitely a change that is happening dito. And maybe because that is what your situation is calling for. Change. Kasi po pwede, no, na may mga bagay siguro dito that you're hanging on to, no, tightly, kumbaga. And kailangan na ninyong baguhin ito. Kailangan ninyo na mag-loosen up kasi maybe yung mga bagay nito na kailangan ninyong baguhin dito is something then na it doesn't deserve talaga a room or space na sa buhay mo, hindi ba? So, iba-iba to, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. But, kung ano man itong babaguhin mo, this is what you will realize na, sige na nga, i-let go ko na to. Kasi maaari din na napag-isip-isip mo na it doesn't serve your highest good anymore anyways. Kaya maaaring maiisip mo na din, marirealize mo na parang, teka lang, bagahin na lang din naman to sa buhay ko. So, might as well remove this out of my life na, no? And depende yan sa inyong sitwasyon. It could be a person, diba? Kung sino man sa buhay mo na you're still keeping that person pero puro na lang negative ang hatid na energy nito sa'yo, diba? So, definitely it doesn't deserve your time. Diba? It doesn't deserve a room in your life anymore. Kasi magiging toxic lang dyan. So, it could be trabaho, diba? It could be family situation, no, dynamics, mga ganon. So whatever it is, no, na you feel like it is not serving your best interest, no, magdedesisyon ka din na tanggalin na nga yan, baguhin na nga yan, diba? We have King of Wands. So siguro si King of Wands is someone na very charismatic, very magnetic, yung ganon. And King of Wands is also about leadership. No? This is about leadership. So baka ang iba sa inyo nasa leadership position na sa inyong trabaho, or ang napipick up ko dito, maybe there is going to be a change in your career path na siguro from being an employee, from being the boss, no, sa trabaho, baka you have enough capital na para mag-put up ng sarili mong negosyo. And meron ako pick up dito na siguro ang iba sa inyo is going to change your career path from being an employee to being the CEO. Parang meron ditong mag-quit sa trabaho, magre-retire na or magre-resign sa trabaho, and you're going to put up your own business. So, good luck po. We have Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, parang you're walking away from being the manager, from being the supervisor, at siguro talagang ang iba sa inyo is going to put up your own business na. Now, yun ang napipick up ko dito. Ikaw na yung gustong maging boss. Diba? Kaya mag-put up ka na ng sarili mong negosyo. And, hindi ka rin naman dito nagmamadali. No? You are not rushing these things. or this move or this change of career path, hindi mo rin naman yan minamadali. But maybe you have the plans, no? Maybe you have the plans, you have the idea already. Maybe you are already preparing for this change, no? So, kaya good luck po sa inyo. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.